to Basira's kitchen. Wafanda kayo sanunku da zuwa maraba maraba maraba. The next few videos will be preparations for Ramadan. Today we're making Maasa or rice pancake. I have my ingredients here, and as usual, I'll have them listed in the description box below. Have a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of yeast, a quarter of a large onion, 2 tablespoons sugar, half a cup of cooked rice, some water, and soaked rice. So I soaked the rice overnight and it's very soft now. I'll rinse it and blend it with all the other ingredients. So I'll add the cooked rice, the sugar. I'll add a cup of water for now. The yeast and the salt, and then the onions. I covered it and let it sit for about 2 hours. You can let it sit longer. And now it's time to fry. It's just like frying pancakes. I got this pan from Amazon. If you need it, you can get it from Amazon. And it's just like frying pancakes. The moment you see little bubbles on top, then it's time to flip. But if you want it a little darker, then you wait about a minute before you flip. And you can use anything that makes it easier for you to flip. I use chopsticks. You can also use skewers. I just leave it on so you can get another video. Okay. Yeah. You can have it as a savory or sweet snack. You can have it with your cereal spice as a savory snack and with sugar or honey as a sweet snack. And you can also use it as an accompaniment to your Hausa cocoa. Thank you for watching my videos. Ramadan Kareem. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Stay safe. Thank you. Bye.